Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Summing ArrayList instance variables is a classic AP computer science challenge. We will evaluate 3 loops to find the perfect code match. First, look at segment 1. It uses a standard for loop with an index variable to traverse the list. Calling getNum on each object correctly adds every value to our total. Next, check segment 2. This enhanced for loop is super clean and efficient for iterating through objects. It correctly calls the getNum method on each value object within the list. Segment 3 fails by calling getNum as a static method instead of on the object. Only segments 1 and 2 work correctly. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid mistakes by checking method calls. Trust the given syntax to find option D.